Hey everyone, in this guide, I'll show you how to install Super VPN on laptop or PC. Since Super VPN is a mobile app, we'll use an Android emulator to run it on computer. Let's begin. First, open the Google Chrome on your laptop or PC, and here in the search bar, type the BlueStacks and press enter. Here, click the official BlueStacks website from the search result, and once you're in the website, click Download BlueStacks button. Choose where to save the file on your computer and click Save. And after the download finishes, open the setup file from your browser's download section and the installer will appear. Click Install Now or Agree and Install to start. The BlueStacks will now download the required files. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, BlueStacks will open automatically. When the BlueStacks opens, just click Sign In and enter your account and email and password. These steps is required to access the Google Play Store. And here inside the BlueStacks, go to System Apps and click on the Play Store icon to open it. And here in the Play Store, just search the Super VPN and select the app from the results and tap Install. Wait for the app to finish installing. And once installed, open the Super VPN inside the BlueStacks and you can now connect a server to start browsing using VPN on your laptop. And that's how you install Super VPN on laptop or PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.